Ah, it's another great day today.
Did say that again.
Nothing to do but just sit down and relax.
Speaking of which, to wear the blues. Rules, don't worry, I know where they are. So, Blues, what are you doing this time?
Trying to see who can be the most annoying.
You know, maybe you need to change that. It's getting kind of annoying, don't you think?
No.
Fine, you want to know what's even more annoying?
What's that?
Seeing how high I can explode you.
Wait, what?
That was close.
Ah, what a lovely day to be flying in the cosmos.
Hello.
Oh, hello there, friend.
Would you like to come with me?
Well, no, I'm kind of enjoying this.
Right, come on. Here. What the? Ah!
Ah! What? Where am I? What is this place?
Oh, are you an alien or something?
Well, technically, yes. I was just watching over space and, what is this place anyway?
It's Earth. It's a rather boring planet, actually.
Wait, you know about other planets and stuff?
Yeah, because I don't really get to do much on the show. I just lounge around just looking at stuff, like, mostly about space and stuff, so I know a lot of things.
Well, we'll have to chat sometimes.
Yeah. Well, you two have got to come with me first. Oh, great, here we go again.
Oh, okay.
Guys, I just found these two. They kind of fell out of the sky. What should I do with them? Oh, great, you again. Look, how about you just let me on the team? I mean, what's really stopping you?
Let me think about that.
You're a villain. We don't really want villains here. What? I'm only a villain in the games. In this, I'm just more of like an anti-hero sort of thing. You know what I mean? Look, if we let you join, you won't try and team up with the pigs, will you? Nah, I'll just stay here. Okay, what about you?
Oh, yeah, I just fell from the sky. I'm kind of from space. I don't really know what I'm supposed to do here.
Don't worry, we'll let you know what to do. But you seem fine enough. We'll let you join. So we're both in? Yep. Ooh, let's go, friend.
Okay.
I guess it's time for transition screen. So what I suggest we do is if we take the airship from behind, we can then trap him in like a box-like shape, and then we could easily take him out. I guess. But how do we really work with that? No, I know, but that's why we need. Maybe if we did step 2 again.
You know, I just realized that this is a mid-episode. So, does that mean new person's coming?
I mean, that's usually how it works. I mean, boss, is anyone else coming this time?
Oh yes, I almost forgot to introduce him. Oh, he's Porks. Nothing really special about him, just a pig. Well, I hope I can get along with you guys pretty well, and yeah. Like he said, nothing really special about me, just a normal pig.
Finally, I was getting annoyed with all the weirdos.
Hey, shut up!
Oh, okay. Oh, so your name is... Oh, I'm Porky. Oh, nice to meet you. I guess we're gonna get along. Yeah, it looks that way. Come on, then. Oh, sweet, already made a friend.
And that should be anyone. What? Oh, no. Not him. Now!
Is this the place to the cheese factory? Hello. Ah,
Oh, dear God. But what are you doing here?
I just thought I'd come along to see how you were doing. I mean, I don't even know who you are, but you're a pig. And pigs are nice. Plus, I brought 2 friends. My trusty assistant, Piggy. But boss, what happened to your crown? Oh, my crown? I dropped it down the ditch, and that's why it looks like this. Look at the camera.
Well, I guess that makes sense.
And then my other fine assistant, Helmet Guy.
Yeah, we're gonna need someone to differentiate us from each other.
Wait, who's this?
Oh, just a self-proclaimed leader of all pigs.
What? King Piggy really should go.
Shut up! There's no way to talk to your king. You're not my king. Yeah! Well, I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna help you, and you're gonna like it. Okay?
Maybe with this idiot we could finally die. That would be the greatest thrill of all.
Hello, this is Aaron. Could you ever pick with a habit? Please come to my place, because I haven't wanted to deal with him, you know, doing the same as the other piggy, so because of that, okay, goodbye.
Wait, does he mean me? Yeah, I think he means you. Get going.
Oh, okay.
I'm so happy we can work together, just like forever.
Fine. You listen here. These guys are my troops, not yours.
Yeah, I get to lead. Yay. Yay. Oh, yay. I get to lead the pigs again. Yay.
Wait, what are we gonna do with him? Don't worry. As much as I am annoyed with him, he's probably too stupid to actually get anything done anyways. Let's say that again.
I will lead the pigs and the pigs will be amazing, and I will lead the pigs and the pigs will be amazing.
Just need to work together, okay?
Alright.
Just to make sure that history doesn't repeat itself.
This here is Pox. Nothing special about him really, just a normal pig. Hello. I hope I can get along with you guys pretty good. What's with this voice? Seriously, King Pig, get lost. We don't need you right now.
Hey, that's no way to treat your king. You're not my king. Shut up! I'm gonna come and help you now, and I hope you blah 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 blah.